Hello, good morning, everyone. Uh, the best one thing, if you ask me, in 2005, when I first started with one smart class, we were having this computer labs, and the smart class was then, in the market, and we started with one classroom. Then after that, we increased the classes. Now I am having almost 15, 16 classes, those in which we are using these tools and techniques, ICT. And this was, as you said, I have been with this school since 98, and when we were not using much of this technology for teaching and learning, in teaching and learning process. And then after that, same with me also, there were so many challenges. First was the use of that technology, where we needed, training of the teachers. And then first was that. And then we had this computer teacher who was helping around. Then in the initial years when the smart classes started, the company also used to provide trainings that how to use and tackle those techniques and technology. So initially we faced problem, but later on, and I remember first the classroom which I used was from Access, and they were having every content, and it was they were giving us that help also, where in private schools, up to 8th we use so many publishers books, so they helped us to match with that content also. So this was because teachers had this question, we will be having test books of a different publication, and the contents will be from other other company. So how we are going to match it, how it is going to help us in the learning process. So for that we asked the company, and this was the first company I remember, because Educom was also there in the market, but this company, they were cheaper, and they said they will be helping us with this data of the books which we were using. So that was one thing. Then as it was only one class, so we had changed the timetable. Once in a week at least our one class should go there and learn the things. Then there was a change. The students in traditional format, they are little bit bored. They are not so much enthusiastic. So in this ICT classes, we found that with visualizations, there were more learning happening. There was critical and creative thinking was increasing. So and now as we are using it regularly, so we give so many projects to students, where we see the students are using more of this technology. And in traditional method, what happens in the teachers are limited, they have a limited time. After school, there are very few teachers who give time to students for their queries and all, and this particular technology is helping the students to access after school also. And through this ICT use, they can have their own, their knowledge. And one thing more I would like to add, there are some students who are very shy, they are not very interactive, and they feel very difficult to interact with the teacher. So with the help of these technology, they can access without that fear. They have their own independency to access the things. They have more data, or they can Google is one of the app where they are able to have all the e-libraries and learnings. So this is one drastic change which I saw in my students, was that they were more creative, and the learning were more faster. And yes, they are happy also. And every time the teacher, even after the use of this technology, the teacher is also improving. there were teachers who hardly go to, you know, libraries. As we know, in this profession, every time we need to be updated, and we have to be more to books and all. But there are teachers, they don't get time to go to libraries and consult the books, or they don't have the knowledge to which book they should consult. But with these applications, with these ICT use, with the this new technology, they are now much more aware and much more smarter, and they have anytime while traveling, while sitting somewhere, with few minutes also, within few minutes they can, you know, have these extra knowledge of the things. So I feel that students and both teachers, the learner and the teacher, both are now smarter. They can have more knowledge, and they can use that application anywhere. And as we are having smartphones nowadays, so smartphones also will help this learning.
Thank you very much, Hema ma'am.